It's hard to say how common cameras are set up to spy on people, but I do know this. There are a lot more registered male sex offenders than female sex offenders, and voyeurism is a type of paraphilia that's more associated with men. It's extremely creepy. After researching a few product safety companies online, we found ways you can avoid becoming a victim yourself. Try checking the room out in the dark. Many hidden cameras will also have those LED lights that could give them away. We all have one of these, right? You can use your cell phone to check for cameras. Hidden surveillance might have a radio frequency and mess with your signal. So call someone and walk around. If you notice a signal interference, there might be a camera near you. Also, did you know you could download a detector app and find hidden cameras that way? If you want to get more high tech, you can buy one of these, a professional detector. They're easy to pack or to bring to work. You sweep the room and see if you can pick up a signal. Lastly, this is not just something you see in the movies. There could be hidden spy cameras installed on the other side of mirrors. So what you do is you touch it, and if there's no gap between your finger and its reflection, that means it's a two-way mirror. Garin Flowers, 10 News.
Creepy. All right, improvements in technology are what's making it so much easier for people to spy on other people.